Well, I took that external disk drive case apart, pulled the disk drive out. First of all, look at the size of that power supply. It's rusty in there. And the disk drive was not secured. It was missing several screws, and that's why it was flopping around so bad. But when I pulled, this is the disk drive here, when I pulled open the case, this is how I found the disk drive. I was like, well, that's wrong. And then I realized, well, that comes down here. Like, well, what else is wrong here? It turns out on the front here, there we go, on the front is the little screws, and it's missing a screw on this side that keeps this front plate attached to the carriage here. So it was just allowed to sit like that inside the case. Doesn't look like anything was damaged. However, if this motor ever spins up, I'll be surprised. This one here is rusted. While it turns, it's very, very stiff. There's the capacitor. And on this disk drive, it's mounted in backwards. And compared to the other disk drive here, they're just mounted like that. I'm not sure which one's original. I think this is also a Sugart 801, and the face plate's just a little bit different, but not very much. Oh, it may not be a Sugart. Looks like Texas peripherals. Okay. It is not a Sugart. That's why it looks a little different. The little LED lights in a different place. Whereas, give me light. There we go. Where this one, the LED lights in the middle. I mean, it's not much of a difference. The doors operate in this almost the same fashion. But see, this one here, the light's in a different spot. And so the door's not working properly because it's not attached. And it's missing that one screw. I'm going to pull that screw out and see if... You know, I forget the circuit board's on the bottom here. I better make sure there's nothing on the table. Still runs off of 110 volts here, and then the DC voltage down there. The circuit board looks like it's in much better shape, but I don't know. Some of this motor here looks pretty bad on the inside, and of course that one's rusted. Like I say, I can turn the motor and move the heads, but it's really, really stiff. Maybe some oil free that up. So, well, let's open this back up. Get that screw out. Let's see if I... Oh yay, it fell down in no man's land. Don't you hate that? There we go. Well, that just looks like a... Whoops, where are we? It just looks like a standard machine screw. I got a bunch of them that have Phillips heads on the top. Should do nicely. And then there it's locking. That spring down there might need to be stretched out. Oh, I just tried turning this and the motor did not turn. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Oh wow. It's seized up. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. It's got a fan here, but that just slipped on the shaft. Oh. Sitting in the attic too long. Too much moisture. Really new. Looks like a good circuit board though. Let's get this back down on the table. There we go. I need a bigger work table. Maybe. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I got it to turn. It's not really wanting to move. I think I can just put oil right on top of that. Yeah. Go find my oil. Okay, if you're going to lubricate your motors, your electric motors, this is the kind of oil to use. I had to special order this. Every once in a while, Lowe's will carry it, and when they do, I buy as many as I can because this is good for the like Hunter ceiling fans and box fans and all kinds of electric motors. We'll take this and put a couple drops and just let it soak in there. We'll do the same thing to that motor, but we'll put the disk drive up on its face, and so the oil can flow down inside that motor as well. Now, I'm gonna go find me some screws.